What if we told you the future isn't waiting for you? It's already here. A place where machines don't just move, they think. Where students don't just learn, they create. A space where imagination meets innovation. Not sci-fi, not the future. This is happening now. Ready to see it?
My name is Dana Alsani, and we are here today in the Robotics and AI Lab in DPS Indirapuram, at the start of a truly inspiring and ambitious mission. Our vision here at DPS is not to make AI just another subject in the syllabus, but we want students to truly understand its potential. We have robots ranging from starter robots all the way to programmable machines with industrial-level technologies such as LiDARs and depth cameras. Because we don't want students to get stuck at the learning phase of AI. We want them to be a part of creating the full solution.
Here, students go beyond theory. They train AI to recognize objects, program self-driving bots, and experiment with real-world applications of machine learning and automation. At DPS Indirapuram, we don't just learn about the future, we build it. One line of code, one circuit, one breakthrough at a time. At DPS Indirapuram, we don't wait for innovation, we create it.
DPS Indirapuram, AI and Robotics Lab, built for the innovators of today.